Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to make an Escher tessellation. First is to start with the point and create 3 points on the graph. The next thing to do is to find the midpoints of each point. The third thing that you should do is go back up to the point tool and create points wherever you want to. So you can create 2 here, 3 here, and then just 1 here. And the next thing you want to do is reflect object and point. You want to click each of the new points you've made and reflect it across the midpoints. The most important thing is to make sure that none of the midpoints cross over, and you can see that none of them do. The next thing you want to do is click on the polygon and click on every point in order. There should be no crossovers. It may have many sides though, so it'll look very interesting. Oh no. Sometimes you might misclick. And that's how you make 1 point on the Escher tessellation. Next thing you'll do is press reflect object and point and reflect the objects in the midpoints. I always find that easiest to do as they're a different color from all the rest of the points. However, you can also reflect them in the beginning points that you had. Oh no. In the end, you should end up with something that looks like this. And then to color it, all you want to do is to click on that little blue pointer in the corner, press on the set color tool, put the opacity up to 100, and then choose a color. So I'll choose blue, opacity 100, green, and then red. And then I'll just keep that up. Keep the color pattern up. So blue, green, red, and then blue, green, and red. And then you can always have one that's a different color or a different. I'll change this one to a yellow just since it is in a random spot. And you should end up with a tessellation that looks like this.